Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV. And today I am reporting from the Dua Sentral building in downtown KL, downtown Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And I just checked into an Airbnb listing, aka short-term rental, unit number 1902. It is 3:30 a.m. I just got here. I just arrived in KL. I think it was around 2 a.m. The flight was delayed by a couple of hours. Came in from Tokyo Narita on All Nippon Airlines or Airways. Good airline, good staff, but yeah, sometimes flights get delayed, I guess. Anyway, let me give you a quick tour of our Airbnb here on 1902. So far, instructions were good. Here's a fridge freezer. This is all the stuff I put into the fridge myself. We even have a washing machine. Looks like we have everything we need here. And there's a store at the bottom of the building that's actually open right now as we speak. So I could probably get coffee or some sort of caffeinated drinks. Anyway, this is a nice Airbnb listing, very centrally located in Kuala Lumpur. The only thing is it's a little bit warm in here, so I had to turn on the AC everywhere. But yeah, it's pretty nice, it's pretty modern. Let's see how this works. Ooh, oopsie. Okay. And then this must be the shower. It is, okay. Pretty modern. Yeah, I'm very impressed so far with this Airbnb. Everything is stocked. Everything seems to be very clean. Kitchen's nice. Living space is nice. And then we go over here, and then you have two more beds. And a desk. Very spacious. It smells good in here too, by the way. Obviously, it's not something that you can tell via this video, but this is also very interesting. Lots of storage, and then here's another bathroom. I can't even tell you how much the nightly rate is here. It's very low compared to North American standards. Yeah, everything's clean, everything's great in here. I have to say I'm very happy with this. There's no shower here, so I'm going to be using the shower over there. Yeah, very nice. Very nice unit. Let's check out this closet. Okay, I guess that's the Dua Sentral Unit 1902 Airbnb. You've seen it now. And I gotta go to bed. I have a conference to attend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, and leave in the comment section. Let me know if you have been to Kuala Lumpur and what your experience was. I'm super excited to be here. I haven't been here in 19 years. And yeah, Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.